Good morning, Frazier here with Elegant Auto Sales. Today I'm going to be doing a walk around of this 2012 Chevy Silverado 2500 Duramax diesel. It is an LTZ. We're going to do the outside, the condition. We'll do the inside, condition, seats, features. I'll pop the hood, let you take a look at the engine. We'll turn it over, let you see the dash and all the lights, and then we'll go back to the engine. Let me get tire size in here for you. Keep in mind though, there are a few things that still need to be done to the truck. We're just waiting for the vendors to come in. But I figured I'd get this walk around out there for everybody. As you can see, that tail cap there, that's going to be replaced. There's a couple little dents on the bumper. That's going to be repaired as well, so keep that in mind. It does have the tow pack, if it will focus for me here. Tow pack, backup camera, backup sensors, tonneau cover. This is as low as it can really get for this truck. And we'll get some features in here in just a moment, but let me just get the outside condition so you can see that there are no major dents, no huge dings, no major scratches, nothing like that. This is a beautiful Duramax. Running boards, tow mirrors, fender flares. Fog lights. It does have both keys, self-start, which is really nice for when it gets cold out or when it's really hot, those kind of things. But first, let's get some features in here. Power windows, power locks, heated memory seats, fold-in mirrors, power seat. Let's get the condition of the seats here. Seats are in fabulous condition. I love the leather in these. Center console, great condition. Passenger seat. It does have the sunroof up there as well. It's the back here for you. Back seats seem like they haven't really been sat in much. Cup holders, all of those things. Get that the best I can for you. Let's get some features up front here. The tow assist, four-wheel drive, the tilt, the steering wheel controls, the programmer. The backup camera that is in the rearview mirror there, so when I turn it over, we'll go over that in a moment. Stock stereo. As you can see, it has the Jake brake, pedal adjusters, traction control, all of that. It does have the Bose surround sound, as you can see right there. That little tweeter has the Bose there, so it is the Bose. Again, this one is loaded. Let's take a look underneath the engine. If I can get the hood up here. Alright. Now, I do say this in my videos all the time. I am far from mechanically inclined. But I do like getting this in here for customers. Chances are, if you're looking at this one, you've looked at a few and you know what you're looking for. So I just try to get this in here the best I can. Now, every single one of our vehicles, they do get diagnosed. If anything ever needs to be fixed, we fix it. Yeah, I encourage anybody to check out our Google reviews, our Better Business Bureau. We hold an A+ with Better Business, and well, our Google reviews speak for themselves. Here, I'll self-start this thing. Let me grab the key and close the hood. You can't start it with the hood up. So, but we'll pop the hood and go back to it here in just a second. But just double lock. Make sure it's locked. Right on. So we'll unlock it, turn it over, let you see the dash. Sorry about that. People are texting me and the phone's blowing up. So I apologize. So we'll turn it over. Stereo works good. There's the miles. As you're going to see, yes, there is low fuel. No check engine lights, nothing like that. Odometer, compass, temperature, those kind of things. And then here's the programmer here. Backup camera there. And then up here, of course, we have sunroof. Alright, steering wheel controls. Tow assist there. Let's go back to the engine here so you can hear how it sounds. And I'll go to the exhaust too so you can hear that rumbling. There we go. Burn along beautifully. Beautifully. You're looking to tow a house. One of them here. Alright, let's go back to the exhaust. That's a nice aftermarket tip. That might actually be stock, but alrighty. Well, I do hope this helps with questions you may have had about it. If there's anything I may have missed, if you'd like me to come out and take photos, shoot another video walk around, I'm happy to do it. I want to say thank you for your time and consideration, and hopefully we can earn your business. Enjoy your day.